kagabi magkasama kami sa shooting ng movie namin. And then, sabi niya, ready ka na ba? Siguro, ready ka na ba?
Pero very proud for sure.
So, yun, nag-congrats siya and good luck siya kanina. Yun, sana nakapagpahinga daw ako. So, parang sportive naman siya, in fairness.
Wow.
Hindi ko pa lang alam kung nakita niya na yung mga pictures online.
Ano tingin mo magiging reaction pag nakita mo?
Very proud siya. Siguro naman. Sana.
Alright, sige. Thank you, Kim.
Of leading the ceremonial toast with a few words for our calendar girl.
Thank you everyone for being here tonight. Friends from the media, truly appreciate all the positive spins you're putting on everything. It's amazing. To the Tanduay team for making this event happen. You guys work extremely hard and extremely inspired to be part of the team. Thank you, Pal, for letting us use such an important venue, such a historical venue for the family and for all the companies. We really couldn't have done this without every single one of you guys. And of course, to the new 2025 calendar girl, Kim. And truly inspiring us with the themes of the night being powerful, beautiful, and just courageous in general. So thank you again. We dedicate this cheers to you and to Tanduay. Thank you everyone.
Cheers, everybody! Cheers to Tanduay and cheers to Kim. Alright, thank you, Mr. Lucio and Carlton, and likewise to our Tanduay executives, Attorney Raul Fernandez, Mr. Gary O, Mr. Paul, Mr. Jonathan Yap, Mr. Eric Santos, and Sophie. Okay, mukhang naka-warm up na ang lahat. We were able to have a few drinks. Kim, masarap? Yes, mainit. Mainit kasi init po ni Kim Chu. Alright, and this is one of the, I would say this is one of the exciting parts of the program. Okay, because now we will be opening the floor to our friends from the media. Kim, please have a seat. So, eto na. Please feel free to ask our Tanduay calendar girl about her journey and what it means to represent the brand. Kim, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Nakapag-stretching ka na?
Stretching, and nakasick na rin ako ng Tanduay.
So, mainit-init.
Let's do this.
Okay. Ang mainitin natin ngayon, yung upuan mo naman.
Yes.
Hot seat down. Okay, I know we have questions from the media. Ready na ba ang ating media friends to ask the first question? Okay, ito yung mga
Gusto ko yung may papel dito sa harap.
Ayan yung nahulog kong papel kanina. Okay. Alright, I believe our first question is coming from Miss Abigail Adriatico from Manila Standard. Miss Abby, you can make your way here to the front of the stage so we can ask him the question up close and personal. Grabe. Alam niyo si Kim Chu, kung akala niyo sa malayo maganda, lalo na sa mas malapitan. Okay, ito na. Hi, Miss Abby. Miss Abigail.
So, I just want to ask, so what was your initial reaction when you found out that you have been chosen as the Tanduay calendar girl for 2023?
Alright, first of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. I am Kim Chu and I'm your Tanduay Calendar Girl 2023. My initial reaction, of course, I'm shocked and I asked myself if I'm ready to do this. Kasi syempre, a lot of people know me since Pinoy Big Brother House. So I grew up in front of everyone's eye. Not naman everyone siguro, pero most of the people. So they've known me and I grew up in front of their eyes. And I think it's about time na rin for me to do this. And I feel empowered actually. actually. I feel grateful to be the Tandoy Calendar Girl 2025. Kasi I feel like this is such a powerful moment for me. And this is a milestone I never thought early on my career days. Pero I believe that this is a testament of how much I've grown and how far I've come. Not only as an artist, as an individual, but most especially as a woman.
Your goodness, Abby, thank you! Pangalawa, beauty queen.
Miss Universe! Ready talaga ako. Keep on coming. Let's go.
Okay. Kim, are you ready for our second question?
Yes,
Okay,
Kim.
this one naman is coming from Miss Cassie Acanta from Manila Bulletin. Miss Cassie.
Hi, Juju. First of all, congrats on this. Your first time mo to, and kaya mo ba nagulat?
Yes. Ano to, bakas ni Juliana, if you watch this now. Yes, this is her.
So since this year's theme is about horror, for you, how would you describe horror?
Aura is, para sa akin, it's a celebration of individuality and authenticity, I think. Kasi we all have different types of beauty, we all have different types of confidence, and lahat naman tayo, we all have our own struggles that we hide, and it exudes sa confidence natin. And for me kasi, yung pagiging resilient is a number one for me. Kasi no matter what life throws you, you end up standing up. So I'm here, despite all the challenges that I face. I'm here in front of everyone else, smiling, standing as your Tandoy Calendar Girl. So isa to sa mga bagay na I never thought I would be doing in my career. Kaya this is such a big step for me, and I'm very proud to be here in front of you. And that's my aura. Strong aura.
Follow-up question lang is, sobrang cute mo na pinili ko na parang ang Victoria's Secret Angel. So, hindi nyo nalaba ka dyan yung tingin, parang Victoria's Secret.
Akala ko talaga Victoria's Secret model ako, but I'm proud to be a Tandoy model. So, feel ko talaga. Sabi ko, hindi ako magsasmile because I'm a woman. No, we all have different types of explanation of what a woman is, and that's who I am. I want to just enjoy every step of my journey that I'm experiencing right now. And I'm very lucky to experience all this sa buhay ko, sa career ko, and with everything that's happening to me right now.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Oh, how beautiful, Kim. Super deserved. All the best, Kim. So beautiful. Kasi ba beautiful lang yung sabi ko? Beautiful yung answer.
You are beautiful too.
Grabe guys, galing ni Kim Chu. Kilig ako. Okay, for the third question, can I please call on Miss Kathleen Go from Chinoy TV. Hi, Miss Kathleen.
Hello, Ms. Kim. Can you share with us kung paano ka naghanda para sa photoshoot ito? And is there any memorable moment during the process?
Paano naghanda? Actually, if you follow me on my Instagram account, I always work out, parang physically, because parang endorphin siya, parang it makes me happy, it pumps up my day. But more than the physical paghahanda, it's more on the mental readiness that I'll be facing, lalo na ng pictorial namin. Yung first suot ko ng damit na yung blue, parang oh my God, am I really doing this? Am I a woman now? So, yun. So, more than physical, I really prepared my mental readiness if I am really ready to do this. Pero I'm very much ready naman, and here I am now with mga pictures, photos, and all. And I'm very happy with the outcome and how it went, and then what's the result. Sobrang worth it. Yeah, thank you so much, Tandoy, for the trust. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Kathleen. At kita naman talaga, Kim, yung pag-prepare.
Ayun, yung color blue. Ayun, yung color Diyos ko.
Wow! Kinabahan ka dyan. Were you
Yes.
nervous?
I am super nervous, pero mentally ready na ako kasi 2 or 3 months nag-prepare for that photo shoot. So thank you to my team for taking care of me and all, and to the Tanduay team.
Yeah, meron ka bang favorite? Ako tanong mo na, meron ka bang favorite photo?
Actually, isa yan sa mga favorite ko kasi nakahiga talaga sa mga flowers.
Ay, so it's
Yes.
malabot siya.
Yes,
Flowers.
and also, actually, lahat 10 layout siya. Sinabi ko na, apat. So 10 siya, and then yung favorite ko, isa din yan sa mga actually, lahat, iba-iba. So, I'm very excited for you to see it.
Yay!
Na-proud na
Congrats!
Sal!
Congrats sa pinaghirapan mo yan, Sal! Okay, our next question is coming from Mr. Bob Reyes from Manila Bulletin. Sir Bob, your question please.
Yeah, hi Kim. You mentioned about empowerment. I'm here. Okay, so you mentioned about empowerment, and women look up to you as their role model. So, and what would be your message to them?
To all the women, to all the women who look up to me,
role model.
to all the women out there, I think this is a reminder that there's no dream that is too big, no milestone that is too far. And may saying nga sila na success is not just about where you've been, but where you're willing to go. And that's my definition of success. To keep going and never stop. But don't stop for a while. Rest and just keep going and reach for your dreams. Kasi minsan nakala mo, eto ka na. Parang, I've reached my peak. Ito na yun. But life gives you a lot of surprises. Na parang, wow, meron pa pala. So never stop dreaming, never stop believing, and just keep going.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Bob. Can you say that this is the biggest surprise of your year?
Yes, of course. I want to end my year and to start the year next year with a bang. So that is it.
Yes, very nice. Okay. Now, Sir Ron Len from GMA will be asking a question. Go ahead, sir.
Hi, Kim. So, this isn't just any calendar, it's the Tanduay calendar. So, ang laki history behind it. So, what was challenging for you to embody dun sa Tanduay calendar girl aura? And paano na overcome yung challenge?
Challenge? Actually, it's not a challenge talaga. Because Tanduay is an iconic brand that's been with each and every Filipino celebration. So, a birthday, Christmas, or wala, normal lang. Everyone knows Tanduay, and it's very iconic, and it's been with us years na, and it's been known not just locally, but also globally. And I'm very grateful to be representing Tanduay this 2025, because I believe I myself is also an icon. Sumobra yung pag-inom ko. So, I'm very happy to represent Tanduay, one of the iconic brands here in the Philippines.
Pero wala naman attention ng your work kasi talagang departure na pinatuloy just calendar for
Siyempre, meron pa rin doubts kasi hindi naman 100% confident na yes, yes. Siyempre, the people on social media, they have a lot of comments, good, bad, or anything. Everyone's valid with their opinions. Pero I am just very happy that my supporters, my fans, the people who love me, who support me, they've been from the beginning until now. I love you, Minnie! I love you! Kasi alam ko talaga, lagi nila ako pinagtatanggol. Yes! Supported
Lagi na! Bashers!
Thank you! Congratulations talaga ako!
It's so beautiful, and you also get to acknowledge the people that are behind you. Kumbaga, sila yung makapakpak mo, your names, di ba?
Tapos parang pag may malabas ka or may product ka, parang hindi ko alam kung susuportahan siya ng mga maraming tao. But I believe every time lalabas ako, nandiyan yung mga tao sumusuporta sa
Garcia from the Daily Tribune. Sir Ricky, go ahead.
Hello, Kim. First of all, congratulations to you and to Canwell Studios.
Thank you.
And to the organizers for this very amazing night. My question is, as a Canwell Capital girl, what message do you want to leave for your fans embracing their own aura or uniqueness?
I think it's more than just being a calendar girl. It's about breaking barriers. It's about embracing my confidence, and it's about celebrating every step of my journey. And I enjoy everything from the start until today. I enjoy the journey go here in show business and also in my personal life. So I celebrate every step. So thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Ricky Garcia. Agree ako doon. It's so important to really celebrate everything.
Yes, everything.
Yeah, minsan gusto ko na lang parang, how do you say, parang i-downplay yung achievements mo ba? You only live once.
Totoo yan. Kahit yung normal 2-kilometer run, i-celebrate mo. Girl, nakapag 2-kilometer run ako, congratulations! So that's how I see life. I celebrate even the smallest milestone na meron ako.
Small wins.
Yeah, small wins. Combine mo sila together, it's gonna be extra beautiful.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Ito na, from Miss Gail Krishna. Please go ahead.
First of all, congratulations. Thank you. You said a while ago that you're having a year with a bang, and then opening 2025 with a bang. No, talaga naman we're so ready for that. Pero, ano ba yung mga aabangan sa inyo fans this coming 2025?
This coming 2025, aside from being the Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025, I also have a movie under Star Cinema with Paula Villarreal.